Mabuhay! My name is Rema and welcome to my art space. We're here now at Parks and Wildlife in Quezon City again for another plein air activity with the Anvil of Creativity. And I'm here along with great masters of art to learn and also to know some of the techniques that I need to improve on. I hope you'd stay with me and see some of the highlights of this plein air activity and also some of the lessons that I've learned.
The tranquil urban forest in the Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center offered a safe space for the artists of the Anvil of Creativity to commune, get to know each other, and to explore our creativity through painting.
Discuss natin yung
Led by Maestro Julius Legaspi, he gathered artists from various cities in Manila and nearby provinces to paint the lagoon that sits in the middle of the park. There's no strict medium for the activity. The artists can choose either watercolor, oil pastels, soft pastels, and acrylics. I opted for watercolor this time. There was so much struggle during painting time because the weather was a moody one, even to the point that it drizzled as if it was an opening salvo to a thunderstorm that never happened. In the end, I moved to a different location. The activity was open for everyone. Veterans, beginners, art enthusiasts who want to explore their creative side, and even kids like Elkana.
Color combination ako.
Maestro Julius helped the other artists while painting. He even gave tips to Elkana.
alam ba yung mga terminologies nito? For sure, bridge di ba?
Bridge.
Next time, lagyan mo ng color ng clouds, ng sky.
Ayun.
Dapat huwag kang magli-leave ng paper. Dapat lahat paper. Pero nice. Hindi, pirmahan mo dito. Yung pangalan, pirmahan mo. Pangalan niya at saka yung date. Kaya yung year ngayon. Nice, appear.
Wow! Yay! Good job! I didn't like my first work, so I turned the page to make a new one. It's like starting anew. It's been a long time since I made watercolor paintings, so I was trying to rekindle my love for this medium.
So what happened was that I but I ended up with wasting a page because I did not like the first result, especially when it drizzled and it kind of ruined my mood. So I turned to another page and made another one. And this one.
With us was Maestro Jun Rocha, who shared with us his awesome acrylic painting skills and his critique on our final works.
Ito naman ay constructive criticism. Yung bang andyan na, tapos pagagandahin pa natin. Ano kulang, idadagdag. Kung sobra, babawasan.
My painting was the final one he critiqued.
Ito naman sa kanya, ganun din ang, ito, ganda ng kulay niya, ng pahit niya. Ito, dabs. Hirap niya ng gano'n. Tapos, kung leave out mo na lang ito, isang stroke na yellow or orange, wala ka nang, ito, pinatungan pa niya ng kulay. Once na nagpatong, na hindi pa siya tuyo o moist pa lang, ganyan lalabas. You have let it dry. May dala-dala kang dryer. Patuyuin mo kung gusto mong patungan. Otherwise, Ganun lalabas niya.
Pag pag ganyan, plain air, kasi normally wala naman tayong kuryente. So, dapat iwan mo na lang.
Iwan mo muna, tapos gawa ka another one.
Okay.
Tapos pag bumalik ka, tuyo na siya. Di, ano, ang dark hanggang dito sa ilalim, di ba? Ida-dark mo yung ilalim ganyan, no? Yung ilalim ng bahay, yan, dark yun sa ilalim.
He even critiqued Maestro Julius' work, which was already perfect.
Ang ganda ng ang nakuha niya yung mood.
Yes.
Oh, yung mood ng limited lang. It's a master colors. Ang sinabi ko kasi master color, muted at saka yung controlled. Ay yung alam mo na kung anong kakalabasan ng kulay. Kasi pagka ikaw nagkulay na matitingkad, parang yun, elementary or basic. Sabi ko nga, if you have the paint, pahid mo lang, wala kang pinag-aralan kasi pinahid mo lang. So you have to add your ability. Ito ang ganda, oh. Tingnan mo. Meron siyang mga greens, tapos malayo, yung mga gray tones, tapos mga purple na konti. Is an impressionist but it's a nice one. So hindi na kailangan ng it stands alone yung mga ganun, itong mga ganyan.
May story na siya.
May storya na siya.
Natag-ulan.
Ayun, oh.
Nag-gloomy.
Gloomy.
Namuntik ma-cancel ang plain air.
Nakuha niya yung atmosphere.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the feeling of the mood. Oh, ang ganda. Oh. Ito, ang ganda ng pagkakalagay niya at balance dito. Yan, oh, yung kunti lang siya.
Maestro Jun also shared with us his work.
Babae yung naka-blow kasi may payong. The red shirts which make a focal point. Dito agad nakikita. The rest, tas may mga ibon.
So, ang focal point mo, sir, yung...
Ito. Una makikita mo ito. Yung dalawa.
I must admit that I like joining plein air activities like this because it really hits different when you have fellow artists making and creating with me. If you think that it's boring to make art, I suggest you join plein air activities like this. Look for an art community, and also I'd recommend you to please check out the Anvil of Creativity because they have lots of art activities, and it's open not just to experts but also to beginners like me. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you do, please click the like button, and if you're here in my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Also, do not forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified of future videos from me. Again, my name is Rema, and I really appreciate that you are here with me. And if you'd like to see another video of mine, please check this one. Mabuhay!
And happy birthday to Rema!
Thank you po!